amazing crochet family. I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, and we are here with another video. As you can see from the title, I got some new yarn. Now, I have to admit, I got this new yarn the day before the New Year. So I ordered it New Year's Eve. And I saw an Instagram post and it said that Joann's had some new yarn. So I was just like, what? New yarn? Let me go look it up. So it is the Joann's plush yarn, and as y'all see, I think it's called, is it plush or pouch? Matter of fact, we're not even gonna guess it. Let me open this bag now. How I ordered it, I did it in every color because I wanted to try the yarn out, because for me, I said it can be an investment into me making for my love plush. So that was what I told myself. But it's the Big Twist Posh. And when I seen it, I was just like, you know what? I got to try it. Not only do I have to try it, I want to try it in all of the different colors. So, okay, let's talk a little bit about this yarn if you have not seen the Big Twist Posh. Now, it says it's 233 yards. It says here it is a bulky weight 5. And, let's see. Bulky weight 5, 11.8 millimeter hook, crochet hook. 11.8 is what it's saying on here, but it's definitely a smaller size yarn here, as you can see. Let me see if I can show you. Now, first of all, this kind of feels like Bernat blanket. And when I seen it on Instagram, someone was just saying that Joann's had the new yarn and they just showed the video. So they didn't talk too much about it. So I was just like, you know what? This yarn looks so nice, because they were like, it's like in between Premier. Y'all, I'm going to get it out. Just stick with me. I promise I'm going to get it out. Because listen, I don't know. I don't know why the thought wants to leave me, but we gonna get it. Premier, here we go. I got it behind me. Wait a minute. Hopefully I pull one that has a label. I'm trying to get it because my mind is not letting me. My memory tank is not there yet. Okay, Parfait Chunky, Premier Parfait Chunky. Here we go. Let me show you this. So they were saying it's in between Premier Parfait Chunky and Bernat blanket. Now, I love Bernat blanket. I absolutely love Bernat blanket. I don't use Bernat blanket a lot, only because it's a little on the expensive side and it makes my projects really big. So I don't do a lot of big projects, but I do love when I need to do a big project. I love how Bernat blanket feels. So when I seen that it was saying like it's kind of like an in between the Parfait Chunky and the Bernat blanket, I said I definitely had to try it because it sounds like a good medium between the two yarns. Now, I would say this texture of this yarn has that Bernat blanket feel, but it is smaller than Bernat blanket. But I'm excited to see, would it render the Bernat blanket look and give me the ease of like working with Parfait Chunky. You know what I'm saying? Like, cause Parfait Chunky sometimes to me, especially when I'm making a magic circle, sometimes it breaks a little bit. Like the yarn, it's hard for me to really make that magic circle sometimes, and it'll break off, and it's like the most frustrating thing. So hopefully this does not do that. And I was thinking about, before filming the video, I wanted to try out the yarn so that you could see one of my love plush in it. But to be perfectly honest, I did not have time to crochet a love plush yet before actually making the video. And I also was a little reluctant because I was just like, I don't want to crochet with it. I want to show it first. I want to do like a unboxing, unbagging type thing, then use the yarn. So it was totally one of those things where I'm looking at myself like, make the decision, and I'm just going to unbag it with my friends on YouTube first. And then, so be on the lookout. I'm pretty sure I will have a lot of love plushes made out of this yarn because I have a lot of different colors. I got all of the colors that they offered on Joann's. And I would like to think that I got a good deal for them because it was $7.99 originally for one ball. And it is a lot on this one ball because if you compare it to Parfait Chunky, you know, which Parfait Chunky is a little cheaper than this yarn too. But this is how I got my deal with this yarn. It was $7.99. Joann's had a sale. So, the sale dropped the price down, and then I also got like a 20% off because if you chose to pick it up from the store instead of going in, I did like the card thing to where you can pick it up. So I got an additional 20% off. Now with all that, it was such a good deal, so it kind of rounded out a little bit the same as, you know, Parfait Chunky or some other yarns that I usually would get. And I always like to use, and I would say this too before I show you my other colors, I like to get my yarn on a sale. B, I like to add an additional coupon. So I do a lot of curbside pick out so that I can, or pick up, sorry, so that I can get an additional deal on the yarn. That's just me, because guess what? I am one of those girlies that like to get a deal. I'm just like a deal. That's me. I don't like to pay full price. I don't care what it is. That's just me. It's the thrill behind the deal. I'm that girl. So anyways, let's talk a little bit about the color. So this color here, let me see if I can find a color before I say it, because I would say when I was looking online, yeah, they all had like very cute like color names, and I thought that was so cute. So like I said, I got one in every color. I'm gonna show y'all the color. This one is called Brown Butter, and like I said, it's Big Twist Posh Brown Butter. And Joann's had to put mine in a trash bag just to kind of make sure all of them was together. I was like, ooh. Well, and I told my husband to pick it up, so I was just like, I know he's going to talk trash. Like, how many yarns did you get? But he was so graceful. He just brought it in like, here you go. So then this one is Black Sesame. And my husband is such he's an advocate for like the yarn mess. You know what I'm saying? He's like, yeah, as much as you want, get it. If it makes you smile, get it. Blueberry Smoothie Frappe. This is beautiful. This is like a light blue. I love the name. Like I said, I'm gonna say the names because I thought the names when I was looking through, I thought it was so cute. This one is okay. UBE. I'm gonna just say that UBE milk tea. Look at that light purple, like a lilac. I believe that's the colorway. So pretty, so pretty. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That gives me more like a springy feel too. This one is ooh, Sherbet Glow. Sherbet Glow. Look at that. That's beautiful. Beautiful. And they're showing up so pretty too. That is so beautiful. Sherbet Glow. And it could be that the sun is sunning and it is giving me like a lot of light today. And I love it. All right, so then we have whipped cream. So they got the white whipped cream. Like I say, I love that they gave them different names because I am one for names, y'all. I don't know. I love a good name description for some stuff. I just do. So I like a play on words. So to take your time and name the yarns like that, I think that it is absolutely gorgeous. See, I'm one of those people. I buy also because of colors. I buy with my eyes. If it's colorful, if it's like a name that pops out or something, it's like, oh, I gotta have it. So hey, they got me on the names. Then we have Earl Grey, which is like a very light gray. I'm so excited about this yarn. I would say that I'm super, super excited about this yarn. And I got a feeling it's gonna look actually really good when I use it. Blueberry Jam. Blueberry Jam. That is a nice blue. Okay, I'm gonna speed it up, y'all. I'm sorry. Okay, I was like, I know I didn't get two. I know I got one of each. Croissant. Ooh, that's pretty. That's so pretty. We got bok choy, and Joann's is so good too. I'm gonna tell you, I have nothing but great experiences with them picking up curbside and just in general, because I would say shout out to my Joann's. There was 2 of the colors that did not get off the truck yet because they said that with it being such a new yarn, but it showed up on the website. So the lady actually called me and she's like, if you want to hold on for a second until I get the shipment out, or she said, because it's showing that it's in here, I just didn't get to the box, or you can cancel it. And I said, I will hold out. That's why the video is a little late. I said, I will hold out until you get the shipment, and then and she said she would call me. And I'm telling you, it was probably like 30 to 40 minutes later. She's like, well, it's ready. You can come get it, because she must have opened the box, you know, right after she hung up with me, and she found the yarn. So that was awesome. I thought it was nice because it was very considerate. And like I say, they're very nice. So I really appreciate that. And I think you should always shout people out when, you know, they're amazing. Why not? Glow Warm. I was gonna say Glow Worm, which Glow Worm wouldn't have been a bad name either, but Glow Warm. This is beautiful. I love it, y'all. I'm super excited. I hope y'all are enjoying my video and sticking with me. I'm like, listen, who don't like some good yarn? And this right here, y'all, Strawberry Glow is like, hello, look at that Strawberry Glow. Like, I already got something in mind for this right here and this right here. Y'all are gonna see a love plush out of these 2 right here, because just that quick, I'm gonna just put it right here, because that's, y'all gonna see that love plush. Okay, so then we have Strawberry Shortcake, which is like the lighter plush like pink, which is pretty as well. Strawberry Shortcake. And y'all, when I got this yarn, I went to Target and got one of the big plastic containers like this right here, because I knew I was going to need another one for this yarn and specifically. So I got one just to get myself ready, because I'm thinking this may be the yarn that I use exclusively for my love plush. I'm still going to use up my Parfait Chunky and stuff, but this yarn right here, just off the feel of it, I feel like it's just going to be awesome to work with. So 2 more, y'all. This one is the Mint Chip. I don't know why I'm doing that. I would say, I don't know why. I just get a little excited about some yarn, but y'all, I'm super happy today. Like, I've been happy all day. So y'all just get to share in my happiness. And if you don't like it, you know what I'm saying? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Then we have lemon meringue, like, this remind me of is it lemon meringue pie that my sister, she loves lemon meringue pie, but she would get the one from the store and take the whipped cream off just to put some Cool Whip on top. And ever since she had did it, she showed me that one time we was growing up, and I will always do that when I would buy lemon meringue pie from the store. So we would get the one out the freezer section, take that little whipped cream top off, whip up some Cool Whip, like stir it up and put it on top, and it is like, it's the best thing ever. But I'll honestly say, I only like it here and there, because I'm not a big sweets person. It's just periodically I'm a sweets person, but this is, hearing that name remind me of that. So look at that. So these are all the colors that I got, and if I'm not mistaken, it's a 15 or 15, 16, 17, something like that. I don't know. I can't remember how many colors it is, but like I said, I did get every color in the yarn. I believe that I'm going to love the yarn, just because, like I said, if you had to figure out a texture, it reminds me so much of the Burnett blanket yarn. It's just a thinner Burnett blanket type feel. That's what it just, but y'all, this right here, oh my goodness. I don't know. When I seen it online, because like I said, I was on Insta and I see someone posted like, oh, Joann has some new yarn. And I'm just like, ooh, okay, let me go look. And seeing it online, I was just like, I think this is going to be it. I think this is going to be it. And for me to think this is going to be it and to go and get all of the colors, because I think this is going to be it, y'all, I'm sticking with it. I know I'm gonna love it. And I would say now, before I end the video, I want y'all to tell me, have y'all tried this yarn? But there is Michaels have a new colorway for their Karen cake, and oh my goodness, I was in one of my crochet groups and someone shared it, and I'm like, come on, y'all, we only like 4 days into the new year, and why we want to show all of these different type of new yarns? Like, I don't understand this thing. Like, why would you want to tempt me like that 4 days in the new year, y'all? Let me tell you. But the thing is about that yarn was it had like various colors going through, and then I think it was the Karen swirl cake too. Because looking at, I know I have one here, but I don't know. I could be wrong. But I know it's a Karen cake, but it has like different colors, and then it has like a variegated little piece going through like that's just my type of party. My type of party, just mix up yarn, just like, and listen, do I need it? Yes. I'm not even gonna say no. Why tell yourself no? Do you need it? Yes. Yes, why not? Y'all, let me know if y'all tried that new Karen cake, because I may have a video coming soon about them Karen cakes. I'm gonna try not to though. But let me know if y'all had those, if y'all tried this new Big Twist Posh. I really love the Joann's yarn anyway, so like I said, I believe I'm gonna love this. Be on the lookout for some more videos from me with love plushes out of this yarn. Yes, yes, yes. And I hope y'all are having an amazing, beautiful, wonderful day. Yes, I hope. Listen, y'all, I told y'all I'm excited. So if y'all stick with me, y'all saw my excitement throughout the whole video. Y'all see my excitement now. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna spread this love, and I'm glad I'm on camera to share it with y'all. And I want y'all to always remember that I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, Lady Samoan, and I will see you, oh yeah, next time.